Welcome. In this video, if you follow along, you will learn how you can use the Gzip module of Python to create Gzip files. So let's call this gzipping.py, and we have a data which is a binary data. It is a multi-line string, and what we would like to do is to create a Gzip file. Now it's not that much of a data, but what we have to do is to import Gzip, and after that what we can do is to create something called output file. So file, and we use the gzip file, and first that gz is going to be our name. We want to write it in a binary mode, and we say that the file.write data and file.close. So now what we can also do is to use the OS module and simply say that the size of file is os.path.getSize, and we basically pass the first.gz. And yeah, so if we run it, gzipping, you will see that it's 68 bytes, and if we take a look at the current folder, we will see that the file has been created. So if you open up a file explorer and go to the desktop, we can see this is the first gz. Great. Now what we can also do is basically set the compression. So here, if we go back and just simply copy this, what we can do is to check out different compressions. So compressions range between 1 and 9. So technically we could create a for loop, and we say that 1 to 10, this will terminate at 9, and we create this file, and we give it the name compression underscore, and let's make it the I variable, and at the end we can copy this one as well and say that the compression let's outsource this one. So f is os.path.getSize, f string compression underscore I dot gz, and we just simply print the f as the value, and that's it. So now if we run it, I missed the in keyword. So basically the size is not changing because I forgot to add the compression level. So compress level is equal to I. So now, if we run it, you can see that it starts to shrink, but after a certain level, the compression is not going to benefit us. And let's say we have a file, so demo.txt, and here we have the Romeo and Juliet whole play text. And if we go back to the gzipping, what we can do is to create something which would be like a nested with statement. So with open os.path.sep, not how did we call it? Demo.txt. So with open demo.txt in read binary fashion as fin, and gzip.open demo.gz with write binary as f out. We could say that we want to use the f._out.write lines f_in. And if we run it, we should see that we have successfully compressed that file. And technically that was all I wanted to show you about Gzip. See you in the next one.